Right, here it is, August 11, 2022. I'm down at the West Paseo. We're into the 42nd week of major construction. Time now is 5:34 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. See a whole lot of activity going on down here in the West Paseo right now. A couple of guys doing some work down here in the little areas that are the sort of slotted areas of the sidewalk. Let me pan on around here. Do a little bit of work with the irrigation pipes back down here, making sure all the trees are getting watered properly. So pretty mellow down here in the West Paseo right now. Going to shoot too much right here at the moment. Not a whole lot going on. I think I'll move on around to the West Bowl area and shoot some down there. See what's going on. All right, here I am coming out of the parking structure by AZ 88 over to the West Bowl. See what's happening over there. Seems like this just might be a slow day, but we'll see. This Paseo is slow anyway. See some activity back down in here. See if we can see what's going on. You see they're doing some dust mitigation back out there across the way, but I don't see a whole lot of activity down here otherwise in this area. They are doing some stuff back over here. I can't really tell what it is. Looks like they might be forming up the ground underneath the 360-degree canopy to get that prepped for future when they'll pour the platform there. Let me cut this short here. I'm going to move on around to my West Bowl Stair perch back over here and see what's happening over there. Right here I am over by the Performing Arts Center at the West Bowl. Looking down through here, you see that you've got this ramp poured, which I think they had that for a little while, and then they have filled in here with this darker concrete. So they finished the pour down here, and they have this darker concrete in place. So they got that done. I'm going to climb up the stairs here, see what I can see from up here. See back down through here, they've got in some more gravel, and they're starting to work on concrete forms down here for whatever they're going to do here, whether they're going to pour concrete or do blocks of some kind, bricks. Interlocking bricks, I don't know, but they are getting the Getting the forms fixed up down here to get something done through here. We look back over here by the stage. Again, they're doing stuff back over there. Kind of hard to tell what they're doing down here sometimes, got all these trees in the way. I'm going to climb up a little bit higher. Doesn't look like there's really a lot happening on this end of the project today, other than your sort of basic stuff. I'm going to go back down by the east bowl here next and see how they're progressing back down there. Let me take a minute just to switch over to my telephoto lens. You could look down into the east bowl, see how they're progressing in that bathroom down there. Right, here I am on my telephoto lens looking down towards the east bowl. It's a social hub right there where the restroom is. Looks like they have the walls fairly high on that restroom down there. So they may have completed the actual bricklaying on that, I would think. And I'll be back down there in a little bit to check that out. Looks like most of the activity is right down in the social hub right now today. Let me pan around here just a little bit. Can't really see much of anything because of these trees in the way. But there's stuff happening. It's just kind of a mellow day overall, I think. And back over here. I'm going to finish up on this. And I'm going to start my move around to the far end of the project. It doesn't look like there's a whole lot to shoot today. It's a fairly transitional, mellow day. So let me finish this up here. And I'm going to move around to the City Hall East Bowl area of the project. Alrighty. Right, here I am in the Old Town Tavern Loft. Time is now 6 a.m. Just wanted to point out here across the way there, where the rebar is, they poured concrete for the, which should be a section of the terrace that'll be there. It should be a 3-level terrace, right there where that guy's standing. So they're beginning to fix that up, which means they're sort of downgrading this entrance a little bit. Once they get that fixed up, they won't be able to bring much big equipment through there. Looks like they could get a truck down on the far side of it if they had to. But just wanted to point that out. They're moving along on getting that little schoolyard terrace fixed up. And I'll pan back down through here. You can see they poured the concrete that was here on Tuesday morning, I believe, up to the, right there beside the little museum. So they haven't gone in front of that yet and poured anything. So I don't know if some of this is going to end up being interlocking paving stones or concrete or what exactly it's going to be. Let me pan back around here. Generally, they're just doing form work down here today, it looks like. Fixing up these little slots in the concrete. And getting ready to pour them sometime in the near future, I would think. We can see the sidewalk that they poured on Tuesday. They're all fixed up. Starting to get it formed up around the large turquoise planter here. Be interesting to see how this turns out when it gets poured. But Just going to finish up here. Oops. And move on down to the east end of the project, see what's happening down there. So let me finish this up here. It's starting to get noisy down here anyway. All this good. Right, here I am down at City Hall Civic Lawn, where I can look across over to the West Bowl over here. We see the 360-degree structure. Looks like they're continuing to do some work on that. See a gallon man lift over there. Back over here, you see they're spraying down for dust mitigation back over there. Time is 6:16 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, in case I didn't say that. Might have spaced that out. But back over here, we can see they have completed the walls on this restroom, at least to the point of getting it to the height they want, it seems. And just pan on around here, doing some digging back over here across behind the pump house back over there. So let me take a minute to switch over to my telephoto lens. Alrighty. Alright, here I am on my 77mm telephoto lens. We can see back over there the bathroom. The walls are up to apparently the height they want right now. I can also see that they're in the process of painting this other part of the canopy that arcs around where the fog and water garden will be back over there. They're painting that. That's getting done. Pan on back around over here to the 360-degree structure, and working on that over there, getting some stuff done. So a lot of stuff happening, just kind of incremental getting stuff done that moves them along in the process of getting this finished off. So I won't shoot much here. It's not really that much to shoot. Let me pan on back around here to the restroom. Then I think I'm going to hit the east bowl, and then I'll hit the library steps today to see the opposite side of the restroom area here, and then that'll finish me up for today. It's a little warm and sticky out here, kind of humid, so not quite so pleasant a time to be out, but whatever. Alrighty, let me finish this up. Right, here I am down at the East Bowl, shooting over to the social hub where the restroom is there. See what they're doing there. Just continuing to fix up that restroom area. Doing some digging back over there or something near the lagoon. So pan on around here, back down where they're working over here. I can see they're starting to set up some rebar back over here, which will be part of the infrastructure for the stage. You see back there they got their rebar fixed up, and they're doing more rebar. So my guess is sometime within the next week or so we should see the maybe seeing the stage get poured down here. We'll see. I'm sure they really want to get that knocked out, get that completed. It'll be a big thing for the East Bowl area down here, is to have that stage poured and ready to go, so when they can start building their superstructure for that stage. Let me pan on back around here. Back up to the bathroom up here. So just more work down here on getting this stuff all fixed up. Looks like they're pulling out the scaffolding that they use for the bricklayers over there at the restroom. See that forklift there hauling out some scaffolding. So that's what we got going on down here. Fairly mellow day, just sort of wrapping up some stuff that they have been working on. So I'm going to move around to the library steps here and see what I can see from over there, and that'll finish off my day, I think. Alrighty. Right, here I am down by the library steps, social hub, civic lawn area. You can see the bathroom directly ahead of us there. Got their walls pretty much fixed up, it looks like. So move on around here, we can see they've, looks like they, I don't know if they're still painting this canopy or if they finished painting it, but getting that painted today. Oh, there's the guy up on the lift right there. I don't know, he might still be painting, hard to see. Hard to tell right now, he's just standing there. Alrighty, back over here we got the 360-degree stage. So I'm going to switch over to my telephoto lens here now and get a little closer view of things. Alrighty. Right, here I am on my telephoto lens, shooting over to the 360-degree superstructure for the coming canopy for the stage over there. Guys over there on the blue man lift doing some work. They pan on back around here. See the guy up on the lift over here. Was the guy doing the painting on the canopy there. So he may have completed it, I'm not sure. He's taking a break or something. And back on around here to the little restroom area. Got that all fixed up. The brick is laid there. Doing some work on the inside, it looks like. Doing prep and fixing stuff up there on that. So little restrooms getting built. And that's about what I can see going on down here today. Like I say, overall kind of a mellow day. Just sort of putting some touches on stuff that they had worked on previously, and also getting concrete forms fixed up for pouring probably next week. This is what we got going on down here. So I'm going to finish this up for the day, call it good, and head on back home, get this put together. Alrighty. Time is 6:41 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Calling it a day.